Good morning, all. It's an amazing day. It's very, very early, but I wake up more early than this moment, and I feel very good. And I take my new melange, melange to activador celular, my vitamins, and my multivitaminic complex and mineral. Obviously, the first is my milkshake. It's amazing. Remember, this is the cafe latte. It's amazing. And obviously, this is for have a very battery all days and burn this grease in my body with hot water. Remember, it's thermogenic and usually in the morning with water, hot water, and make your tea, amazing tea, and have a nice day, same like me. And this is my melange. Ooh. I prepare it now. This is micro. She's micro. Micro's la chat in the home. But I need practice to my English, obviously, and more to my French. Je parle français. Bonjour tout le monde. I love you so much. I hope you stay good, same like me. Obviously, I wake up to the battery. I charge my battery this night, and it's an amazing day, and I hope all days are similar to me for you. Kisses all to entrepreneurs and the team for Herbalife. Go for more. Bye bye. Love you.